Today, we're going to explore the powerful functionality of the Trading Journal feature in TradingView, an essential tool for traders looking to refine their strategies and improve their market performance. To begin, access your TradingView account and navigate to the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find the Trading Journal tab, which is your gateway to meticulously tracking and analyzing your trades. The Trading Journal allows you to log every trade you make, automatically capturing crucial details such as the asset, entry and exit points, trade size, and overall profit or loss. But it's not just about recording numbers. It's about understanding your trading behavior. Analyzing your Trading Journal is straightforward yet profoundly insightful. With comprehensive filtering options, you can isolate specific types of trades, time frames, or strategies to assess what's working and what's not. This analysis is pivotal in identifying patterns in your trading, both successful and detrimental. For those looking to enhance their trading discipline, the Trading Journal feature in TradingView is indispensable. It encourages a methodical approach to trading, compelling you to think critically about each decision and its impact on your portfolio.